I'm Shashi Kumar. Actually, I am a freelance compliance and risk management professional, providing solutions for customers. Actually, this CIPR course was a real initiative in how to practically govern the cyber incident response plan to the customers, because there are a lot of customers who tend to provide lots of feedbacks which they are not clear about, especially on the technical and how to take it to the management level, board level. So this program has really given an insight how to divide the technical and the business language into a certain correlative factor and take it to the board level and to buy in their feedbacks. So this is a real good course, and whoever's willing to follow this, I think this will be a great initiative for them. And taking Mr. Amal Singh is very educated, and it looks like he's giving us a real good feedback on all the questions that were raised during the course event. So it's a real good initiative for all the incident management professionals to take it forward. So I'd like to thank Mr. Amal Singh as well as the CM Alliance for giving us this opportunity to take part in this course. Thank you.